Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will delve into a comprehensive analysis of Google. Our initial report was published on our website on the last day of March 2025, and now we aim to enrich your understanding with further insights. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by exploring our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the end of March 2025, our system has categorized Google as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.57. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects no change, sitting at a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned within the lower range of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which could present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $153.60 is breached, it would initially signal an increased rate of decline. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of -19.51% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns fluctuating between -20.05% and -7.08%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast shows a projected change of 8.44%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 8.27% to 46.45% in the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price ranging between $167.42 and $226.47. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Google's Stock Price After Monday Trading. The Google stock price gained approximately 0.2% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 31st of March, 2025. It rose from $154.33 to $154.64. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.18% with a low of $150.66 and a high of $155.45. Overall, the price has experienced ups and downs in this period, resulting in a loss of 5.87% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 6 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 54 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $8.37 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $207.05, while the lowest was $147.22. Currently, the price stands 25.31%, or $52.41, below the 52-week high, and 86.32%, or $976.01, below the all-time high recorded on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,130.65. Recent developments surrounding Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google, are pivotal for its stock performance. A notable analysis highlights concerns about cloud security strategies following Google's partnership with Wiz, potentially impacting competitors like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft, which could shift market dynamics within the cloud space. On the revenue front, YouTube is set to surpass Disney this year, with projections of around $54.2 billion. This positions YouTube as a leading player in media, thus solidifying Alphabet's revenue base and potentially boosting its stock price in the short term as investors react positively to this milestone. In an encouraging move, Isomorphic Labs, Google's AI drug discovery platform, has successfully raised $600 million, indicating robust interest and investment in AI-driven innovations that could unlock long-term growth opportunities for Alphabet. Conversely, some analysts express concerns about Google's competitiveness in the generative AI landscape, suggesting it may be lagging behind rivals, which could have a detrimental effect on investor sentiment. Additionally, new AI features announced for Google Search and Maps are expected to increase search volume significantly, promising short-term growth potential. However, the environment is challenging, with recent price target cuts reflecting broader economic concerns and competitive pressures impacting Google. These mixed signals create a complex scenario for Alphabet's stock, with immediate growth possibilities tempered by longer-term challenges in maintaining competitiveness and adapting to market changes. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 10, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, January 7, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, January 3, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, January 2, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform rating with a downgrade recommendation. On Thursday, November 21, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Google stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $162.64 and $171.39. A breakout above either of these levels will signal a buying opportunity. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, March 28, 2025, and since then, it has risen by 0.201%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google identifies support from accumulated volume at $154.33. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the associated risk is deemed moderate. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.79 between its high and low, which equates to 3.18%. Over the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 2.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either modest expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $170.28. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google encounters its first support level at $154.33. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of March, 2025, Walker John Kent conducted an insider purchase of 17,782 shares of Class C capital stock. On the same day, Walker John Kent also conducted an insider sale of 17,782 shares of Class C capital stock. Again, on the 28th of March, 2025, Francis Arnold conducted an insider sale of 111 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 25th of March, 2025, Anat Ashkenazi conducted an insider sale of 6,686 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the same day, Anat Ashkenazi also conducted an insider sale of 6,761 shares of Class C Google stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 14.832. Overall, insiders purchased 1,472,730 shares and sold 1,086,605 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $145.14, reflecting a decrease of $6.14. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified one day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Google displays several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At this time, it is recommended to consider it a hold candidate, suggesting either holding or accumulating more shares while we await further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded from a sell to a hold or accumulate candidate since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of April, we anticipate Google will open lower by $1.06, starting trading at $153.58. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.